Lumens, your reliable partner.
This video explains how to use NDI sources with the Lumens LC100N. This video is divided into 3 parts. First, let's take a look at what you need. You will need an NDI camera such as the Lumens VCA51PN. You will also need an LC100N and a computer with NDI software. Step 2. Receiving NDI feeds. Check the IP address of LC100N on the front panel and navigate to the interface using a web browser on the computer. Click Source. Network Source Manager, then click Refresh to search for NDI devices on the local network. You can then edit the network devices, select the device you want to use, and click Add to connect with devices. Now, go to the video stream page, select Stream Server, and click Stream Type. Change the RTSP to NDIHX. Then, click Apply. Step 3. LC100N can also output an encoded NDI stream. You can use a computer-based NDI tool to verify the NDI source transmitted by LC100N. Open the NDI tool app and select Studio Monitor to receive the stream from LC100N. Select LC100N as the stream source in the upper left corner. Now you're viewing the live output from the LC100N. If you have any questions, scan the QR code or go to Lumens website. You can reach out to Lumens technical expert anytime. For more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website at www.mylumens.com.